This video explains how to get started using the Machine Catalog module of the Ironworks Equipment Cost Management platform. I'll call it IMC for short. It contains 3 main chapters: Introduction, Operation, and Tips. First, let's review what the Machine Catalog does. Simply put, IMC provides answers about construction equipment. It contains millions of data points about tens of thousands of make, model, year machines. Using that data and purpose-built AI assistants, IMC provides answers about everything from OEM specs to charge rate and cost factor guidance to parts numbers and everything in between. The answers provided by IMC are used by everyone involved in equipment management, including estimators producing machine employment cost estimates and charge rates, equipment managers measuring the performance of equipment maintenance programs and deciding which machines to buy, sell, and overhaul, executives assessing how charge rates will affect business strategy, bid success, and profitability, maintenance technicians researching machine specifications and sourcing parts, and project managers searching for the right machines for their jobs. IMC runs 2 ways. First, as a standalone web app for those who need answers, but don't get involved in machine employment cost estimating and setting charge rates. And as a Microsoft Office add-in for those who do. Either way, IMC provides its users with a massive volume of valuable machine data, including OEM specifications, charge rate guidelines, mechanical properties, custody cost factors, operation cost factors, and AI-powered answers about anything related to any make, model, year machine. Anything. When run as a cloud-based Microsoft Office desktop add-in, IMC is fully integrated with Ironworks Cost Estimator module, ICE for short. Module integration is seamless, making machine data research, input, and machine employment cost estimating easy. For example, values estimated for the active machine in ICE are automatically compared to the guideline values in the machine catalog for the same make, model, and year. Machine data for alternative or comparable machines of interest can be researched while estimating by simply adding a profile to the active machine set. ICE estimators automatically receive cost factor guidance from the machine catalog, and they can input any of the values with a click. Machine catalog data can be imported automatically in whole or in part to an ICE estimate. And charts illustrating how charge rates in ICE estimates compare with those in the machine catalog are provided automatically. Next, let's review how IMC operates. IMC provides data from 2 sources: the Ironworks Data Warehouse and publicly available websites on the internet. The data warehouse collects de-identified machine data point values from ICE, produces statistics about those values, and reports those statistics to the machine catalog. The machine catalog, in turn, provides those statistics to its users and ICE estimators in a continuous cycle. Statistics are reported for charge rates, custody cost factors, and operation cost factors. The second data source is the internet. IMC employs equipment data-trained AI assistants to retrieve key machine data from publicly available websites. They fetch numerical data, process it, and report maximum, mean, and minimum values for key machine data, including machine charge rates, custody cost factors, and operation cost factors. Ironworks AI assistants also fetch and report non-numerical data, including mechanical properties and original equipment manufacturers' specifications, supplemented with key equipment management data. Plus, the Machine Catalog's Ask AI tool provides answers for any question about any machine whenever you ask. It's easy to use the Machine Catalog. Just specify which machines you want to research, which of the two types of data is of interest, and which of the two data sources you prefer. To specify which machines are of interest, click the Machine Set option in the main menu. Then click Add New Machine Set. To open an existing machine set, click on its title. To delete a machine set, click on the trash can icon. To view the catalog data for the machine set, click on the data type of interest. The profile commands are used to manage the make, model, year machine profiles that make up a machine set. To add a machine profile, click the New Profile command button. To delete a machine profile, click on the trash can icon. To duplicate a machine profile, click on the clipboard icon. To add a unique make, model, year to the catalog, click on the plus sign icon. An Ironworks AI assistant automatically fetches data for unique machines and adds it to the catalog, if the specified make, model, year is valid according to its manufacturer. To view catalog data about a certain machine, select filters for machine type, category, and optionally weight, and then select the make, model, and year of interest from the filtered list. Alternatively, select the make, model, year of interest directly without filtering for type and category. To complete a machine profile, select the remaining required filters: type of custody, rent, lease, or own, and the statistical measure of interest. To view data about profile machines, click, in any order, the preferred data source, ICE-based values or AI-generated values, and the data type of interest, charge rates, or data points. Then click Calculate. When viewing data points, click on the up-down symbol in the title block to display one category at a time. Charge rate guideline data is broken down into the components defined by Ironworks' copyrighted cost breakdown structure. If a charge rate component does not apply to the employment case for the subject machine, simply click on the corresponding checkbox to exclude it from the associated subtotal and grand total. The Ask AI tool answers questions about any machine. To have a conversation with AI, just specify the make, model, year of interest and ask anything. To start a new conversation, clear the active one. To avoid repeating the same question in different conversations, save it for use later. Finally, let's review some ways to get the most out of IMC. Tip 1. When shopping for a new machine, build a machine set of candidates by filtering the catalog using the type, category, and optionally weight filters. This way, candidates can be quickly picked from a short list of similar machines. Tip 2. When researching rent, lease, and own alternatives, set up one machine profile for the machine of interest and specify its custody type as rent. Then duplicate the profile twice and specify the custody type of the two copies as lease and own, respectively. Tip 3. Likewise, when researching charge rate guidelines, set up one machine profile for the machine of interest and specify its statistical measure as maximum. Then duplicate the profile twice and specify the custody type of the two copies as mean and minimum, respectively. More tips, along with detailed explanations in the form of documents and videos, are routinely added to the knowledge base on the Ironworks ECM support website. Visit it often to learn more. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.